Just look at the board. Compare the logarithms log 3 base 2, log 9 base 6 and log 17 base 5. So comparison in the sense we need to arrange these three logarithmic values either in ascending order or in descending order. See, we don't know the direct values of log 3 base 2, log 9 base 6 and log 17 base 5. Since we don't know these values, so we need to compare these logarithms just by using the concept of logarithmic inequalities. Okay, right. So now just think about it. Where these logarithmic values are located, you need to think in such a manner. For suppose, for the first problem, if you think, all the problems, not only the first problem, if you think it is very clear that 3 is greater than 2. So I am observing this 3 and 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, you just apply logarithm with base 2 on both sides. Log 3 base 2 greater than log 2 base 2. And at the end it is very clear that log 3 base 2 value is greater than 1. So the first logarithmic value is greater than 1. Then you just think about the second logarithmic value. Here again 9 greater than 6. This 9 is greater than that 6. Again you just apply logarithm with base 6 on both sides. Okay. I know that 9 greater than 6 and you just apply logarithm with base 6 on both sides. Then it is very clear that logarithm of 9 by 6 is greater than 1. Then coming to the third problem. Here again 17 is greater than 5 and again you just apply logarithm with base 5 on both sides. So it is very clear that logarithm of 17 base 5 is greater than 1. So at the end it is very clear that all these three logarithmic values are more than 1. See, we are going to compare these three logarithmic values. So for that comparison I am going to identify the position. I am going to locate the positions of these three logarithmic values on the number line. So for searching for the positions, the first step is these three values are greater than 1. Then with reference to number 2, I am going to think about their positions, whether they are greater than. Yeah. So first idea gives that these three values are less than 1 and this second idea greater than 1 and this second idea gives that these three values are less than 2. So we need to zoom out the region between 1 and 2 where they are located. Okay. You just imagine the number line. If this is the number line, on the number line somewhere I have 1, somewhere I have number 2. So in between this 1 and 2 these three values are located. In between this 1 and 2 these two are located, then you need to take the reference point as the midpoint of 1 and 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2, 1.5. So I need to check whether these logarithmic values, which among these three numbers, which number is greater than 3 by 2 and which number is less than 3 by 2, that's what I need to check. Actually it's a step by step reducing the region. Okay. So to check that I need to think about 3 and 2 power 3 by 2. Thinking about 3 and 2 power 3 by 2 is simply nothing but thinking about 3 square and 2 cube. Okay. See, we know that 3 square and 2 cube, 3 square is 9, 2 cube is 8. So since 3 square is greater than 2 cube, you just apply logarithm with base 2 on both sides. Logarithm of 3 square base 2 is greater than logarithm of 2 cube base 2. From this direction, from this side you will get that 2 log 3 base 2 is greater than, this value is 3. And it is very clear that logarithm of 3 base 2 is greater than 3 by 2. So at the end, after this 1.5, I have the value of this log 3 base 2. Okay. Then think about this. So for that you need to think about 9 square and 6 cube. So it is very clear that 9 square is 81 and 6 cube is 216. So 9 square is less than 6 cube. Since 9 square is less than 6 cube, if you apply logarithm with base 6 on both sides, logarithm of 9 square base 6 is less than logarithm of 6 cube base 6. And this is 2 log 9 base 6 is less than 3 and that logarithm of 9 base 6 is less than 3 by 2. So just observe this. Log 3 base 2 value is more than 3 by 2. Log 9 base 6 value is less than 3 by 2. Whereas coming to the third possibility, logarithm of 17 base 5. So again you need to think about that 17 square and then 5 cube. Okay. 17 square is how much? 289 and 5 cube is 125. So this 289 is greater than 5 cube. So if you simplify in the same manner, you will get that logarithm of 17 base 5 is again greater than 3 by 2. And among these three values, this middle one, log 9 base 6, is the smaller, which is less than 3 by 2, and these two values, log 3 base 2 and log 17 base 5, are greater than 3 by 2. So among these, this is the smaller. Just leave that and then concentrate on the first one and the last one in the next step. Okay, right. So once again I am giving the idea, the plan. So we are going to compare these three logarithms. First of all, it is very clear that these three values are greater than 1. Okay. In the next step, with reference to 2, these three values are less than 2. Okay. Then at the end, these three values are located in between 1 and 2. So take 3 by 2 as the reference. Such which of these three numbers are less than 3 by 2 and greater than 3 by 2. So if you search in such a manner, this middle number is less than 3 by 2 and these two numbers are greater than 3 by 2. And the next task, we need to compare the first one and the last one. Okay, I am going to do that comparison. Just have a look. Now the first number is okay, the smaller, just leave about it, and then you just pay your attention on the first one and the last one. Where they located actually? The first number and the last number, now they are in between this 3 by 2 and 2. Okay, now again we need to reduce the region. That in the sense we need to select the middle value of this 3 by 2 and 2. What is the middle value of 3 by 2 and 2? Oh, so the middle value of 2 and 3 by 2 is 2 plus 3 by 2 by 2. And it simplifies that 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Is it right? 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. So with reference to this 7 by 4, we need to compare now. With reference to 7 by 4 is the middle number between 3 by 2 and 2. With reference to that, we need to compare. So for that, you need to take 3 power 4 and 2 power 7. So 3 power 4 and 2 power 7. First of all, just think about it. 3 power 4 is how much? 81. 2 power 7 is 128. So 3 power 4 is clearly less than 2 power 7. Since 3 power 4 is less than 2 power 7, logarithm of 3 power 4 base 2 is less than logarithm of 2 power 7 base 2. Send this 4 out. 4 logarithm of 3 base 2 is less than 7 logarithm of 2 base 2. Since this value is 1 and send that 4 that side, you will get that logarithm of 3 base 2 is less than 7 by 4. So at the end, this logarithm of 3 base 2 is in this region. In between 3 by 2 and 7 by 4 it is located. Okay. And then you need to think about this logarithm of 17 base 5 where it is located. Okay. So for that location, if you need to think about that 17 power 4 as well as 5 power 7. These two values you need to compare. Okay. So if you do for that 17 power 4 and 5 power 7, see, automatically you will get that this 17 power 4 is greater than 5 power 7, and from there it is very clear that logarithm of 17 base 5 is greater than 7 by 4. And it concludes that so finally this log 3 base 2 is less than 7 by 4 and log 17 base 5 is greater than 7 by 4. So at the end, if you locate all these three numbers on the number line where they are located, see, if on the number line somewhere we have 1, somewhere we have 2, and in between this 1 and 2 we have 3 by 2, and in between this 3 by 2 and 2 we have 7 by 4. So first of all, log 9 base 6 value is there in between this 1 and 3 by 2 somewhere, and log 3 base 2 value, okay, is in between 3 by 2 and 7 by 4 somewhere, and then log 17 base 5 is in between 7 by 4 and 2. Okay, so among these three, log 9 base 6 is smaller, and the next smaller number is log 3 base 2, and the next smaller number is log 17 base 5. At the end, this is the comparison between those three given logarithmic values. Just have a look.